I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
And andito tayo sa Taguetzco Bridge. Diba? Ganda. Wala pa tayo sa 1.6 na ating nilakaran. Pero, nice naman. Hindi na tayo nagmamadali kasi half day tayo here. Harashiyama area. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Path of Bamboo. Yes. After ilang minutes of walk, we reach the bamboo forest. Ganda ng nature. Maya tayo ko ng magandang shots. So later na. See the look naman.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
Cute ng dog.
I strive.
Yan, it's around past 9 here. So, dumating na maraming tao. So, dumadami din maraming tao. So far, malamig pa rin. So, pleasing pa rin. Yan. So, let's try pa rin kung ano yung dire-diretso ngayon. Saan? Sa picture yan. Picture yan.
Galing mo yung camera.
Sige, okay lang. Okay.
Wait lang. Video ka lang. It's okay.
Diba? Ang aking photographer. So, pusin natin ang oras here until before 11 AM. Saka tayo magpo-food trip mamaya. So, yan. Saan na siya? See the look. Oh my goodness, ganda. Wait lang 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. So, here we are, here in the best part ng bamboo forest. So, nandito lahat. Kaso, inabutan na kami na maraming tao. Pero, okay naman. So, nakapag-shots naman tayo ng maganda. Ayan o, meron pang magpo-photoshoot. So, dito, kanya-kanyang diskarte na lang to have a good shot. So, ginagawa namin, hinantay namin maubos yung mga yung mga flow of people na naglalakad. Yan, like this one, meron parang excursion ba to? So, yan. O, diba? Ang ganda na lang tingnan ng mga masarap makakita ng mga ganyang students. Hi! Hello! Nice. Ang pleasant pa rin ang temperature even if magda-10. So, let's go. Explore pa rin natin siya. Mga more or less nakaka 1 hour na kami staying here in Bamboo Forest. Hindi pa rin kami makabitaw kasi sa super ganda ng nature. O, tingnan nyo naman. O, diba? Ang pleasant. Tapos maririnig mo yung nature. Yung mga ibon. Ayan. Sana naman nakukuha ko yung magandang shots. Pero, laban natin yan. Galing ng Japan at may maintain nila yung ganitong kagandang park. Mafe-feel mo pa rin ng nature. So, ito yun. Isa sa part na gusto natin mag-take ng shots. Baka sakali makasingit tayo. Let's try.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So guys, pag nasi-CR kayo, diba, mahirap hanapin ng CR. From Bamboo Path going to pabalik sa Togetsu Bridge, may madadaan na ganito mga CR. So, pag take the chance lagi na mga pag-CR kasi mahirap makahanap dito ng CR. So, yun yung the best way na gawin natin. So, let's walk and going back to the bridge. And doon kami sa may doon sa mga portion na nakainan kami mag-food trip. So, share natin later, guys. And from Bamboo Path, palabas na kami. Hindi na namin tinapasyon kasi tatapusin namin. Abutin kami ng 4 hours. Ang susunod naming location, mga around after lunch, ay punta kami ng Kiyomisidera Temple. Yan. I don't know if napapronounce ko ng tama. Paumanhin naman. At hindi natin sa ulo ang mga pangalan nila. Hirap i-pronounce. So, ayan, lalakaran namin going pababa. Ayan, hindi na namin mabasa yung mga signage. Then, pero sabi naman dun sa unang nakita namin is diretso lang pababa. So, let's see. At least ito naman pababa na. Hindi na masakit sa paa. Okay, guys. Later na uli. After 3-minute walk, another CR, comfort room. So, we'll take the chance na makapag-CR. Kasi kanina yung unang nadaanan natin ay naglilinis si Japanese local. So, sabi niya, dito na ako mag-CR. From that comfort room ay additional 3-minute walk ulit. So, ayan, na-reach na natin. So, let's try yung CR nila. Pasukin natin. Kasi naihina rin ako. Hindi ko na kayang pigilin para before maglakad-lakad ay baka na. Yan. So, nice naman. Ayan siya. Kahit luma, makikita mo naman na very clean. Ayan. Wala ka makikitang bahid na dumi. So, ayan CR nila. Okay. So, let's have
a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time,
and here we are in Katsura River. Ang ganda ng spot na to, guys. Promise. Kahit maaraw. So nice. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang pleasant. O, diba? Tapos, may place here na, ayan, kainan. So, sarap dito kumain, diba? Pero, pipiliin muna natin yung mga street food na dadaanan natin dun. Punta tayo dun sa dun sa Tagetsuko River. Dun ang way natin. Pero napastop tayo here in Katsura River kasi napaka-nice, diba? O, lakarin natin to. Explore natin pa banda ron bago tayo dumiretso sa. Kasi nga, sabi nga ni ng kasama ko, walang itapon na bawat spot here, walang tapon. Yung tipong gusto mo nang umalis, mahuhook ka pa, makapapastay ka pa kasi gusto mo muna pang magstay, gusto mo pang naman yung nature. Pero we have to fix sa aming itinerary schedule, so kailangan din nating ma-explore yung iba. Pero pagbigyan natin ang ating mga mata to see and explore this view. Okay, so nature, ang sarap, diba? Sarap ng hangin, ang refreshing, ang bango-bango. Yung feeling na walang filter, pero ang sarap huminga. Yun ang magandang description sa place na ito. So nice na napuntahan natin. Ayan, si Happy. May picture siya. So, nandun pa yung Tagetsu River. Doon ang Tagetsu River. Yun. Doon tayo pupunta din. Tatawidin natin yun. Doon tayo mag-food trip. So, bye, Katsu River. Na-love ko talaga ang place na to. So far, this is the best spot na nakita ko. Here in bamboo forest path na paglabas natin. So, ito yan. Meron kang pwedeng kainan. So, sarap dito kumain. Then, while ang ganda ng yung spot, yan. Yung river na yan. O, diba? Nice, so nice. So, let's go to Tagetsuko Bridge. Tagetsuko Bridge. Okay, let's go. So, may part dito na yan. May mga different vendor machine. At this part is yung pwede ka mag-boat na ang cost is 1,800. Ayan. Ito yan. Hottest activity in Arashiyama. Rowboat, 1,800 yen. So, ayan siya. Ayan. Ride ka ng boat. So, wala nga tayong time for that. Kasi nga gugutom na nga tayo. So, napadaan lang tayo here. So, I think it is a taxi. Ang galing, no? Height, ang ganda ng taxi dito. Diba? Oh, ganda. Nice. Talagang dito, ang mapapansin mo, napakabait na mga locals, ng mga Japanese. Very respectful sila. So, this is the Arashiyama Benkei. Yan, nakalaki siya. Arashiyama Benkei. Ayun, Tagetsu Bridge. Malapit na tayo.
Puno, may ang ganda.
Ayan, alam mo ang husband ko kasi mahilig siya sa mga plants. So, lahat ng mga puno na pupunan niya, hindi naman namin alam kung anong tawag sa punong yun. So, alin? Puno yan, di. Ang galing, oh. Parang, diba sabi nga nila, here in Japan, sila ang magaling, magaling sila, lalo na sa bonsai, sa mga plants. Ang galing, oh, diba? Ayan, river, Katsura River. Ayan, yan, matao na dun sa Tagetsuko Bridge. Ayan, dun tayo pupunta sa kabilang yun, na dun tayo mag-food trip. Ayan, Namnamin muna natin na ang way papunta here. Kasi kahit ganito, around 10 a.m. ay very nice at pleasant maglakad. So, yung bang binubusog mo yung ano mo, yung mata mo, saka titingin. Para bang nahuhook ka for every spot na makita mo. So that's why past 10 na pero nandito pa rin kami. Ilang oras na kami dito. Yan. Oh. Yung tipong bang stress na stress ka sa city life, pagdating mo dito, napaka feel mo talaga yung nature. Galing talaga ng Japan na maintain nila gano'ng kaklin nito. Pag nga tinignan mo yan, alam mo ang linis-linis, wala kang maamoy na bahid-baho. Kasi nang linis niya, ang bango. Yan. Pag napagod ka yan, stay ka lang dyan. Pupo lang dyan. So, I don't worry dito here. Ano yung pila? I believe it's, actually, this is one of the coffee na gusto ko matikman here. Yung percent, ito yata yung percent Arabica. I'm sure ito yun. Ito yung ngayon. Mahaba pila. Ayan, So, gusto sana natin tikman,
Pinipilahan ka nila.
Oo, gusto ko sana tikman.
Haba ng pila niya.
Oo. Try natin.
Diba?
Kasi kahit isa lang.
Sige lang.
Sige.
Doon na.
Okay, sige, let's try the coffee. Ayan, pila tayo. Kasi nandito na rin tayo.
Kita niya naman, haba ng pila. Ibig sabihin, pag pinipilahan sa Japan, masarap.
Okay pa rin. Please lang.
Yun doon sa Japan basta pinipilahan,
Seen a
masarap.
lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for